Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on your car. First thing you want to do is measure how long your wiper blades are. Mine are 18 inches and the other one's 24 inches. So I picked up 18-inch and 24-inch wiper blades. This plastic cover is just keeping it from swiveling. On this particular one, you see it looks like a button on top. If you press that in, it releases the pressure and it slides right out. Be careful when you set it down that you don't just let go, because it's spring loaded, it'll crack your windshield. So let it down easy. So this we are going to discard. This is the old one. I'm just going to throw it in the trash. Your new wiper, it comes with various plastic adapter parts here so that it's universal to all types of wiper blades. So the first thing you want to do is determine which style of wiper you have. So each row here corresponds with a different style of wiper. A lot of them are this first one with this kind of U-shape, shepherd's hook looking style. That's not what I have. Flip the page over. Now we're getting somewhere. Kind of looks like the first one, but if you look closely, it's subtle differences, but yep, I have that second row. So I'm going to follow that second row across to see which hardware I need to use. So the first thing to do is remove this plastic cover. Next thing is to insert a connector that looks like that. So that'd be this part. Now install a new connector cover. The connector cover looks like this. And it's got these little pins on the inside here that fit over this circle. Okay, that's on there good. Now open and install onto the blade arm. So I put this cover on, but it slides up or flips up, and this part will slide into the blade arm. And at the end, I'll click it shut. You see that has slid into place. Clicking this down will keep it from sliding back out again. Well, not very well. Must have done it a little too loose. Okay, click it into place, and then don't forget to pull off your protective plastic. You don't want that sliding across your glass. And that one is done. Usually I spend about 10 minutes dinking around with the instructions and the adapter parts, just figuring out how to do the first one. That when you get to the second one, it'll take you less than a minute once you figure out how to do the first one. So don't give up. Just make sure you pay attention to the finer details on the instructions so you're using the right adapter parts, and go from there. Good luck, and thanks for watching.